Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife made by Third Company, model K0821BK. In box, a black pouch for storing the knife, grey wipe for the knife, and the knife itself. Total length is 21.1 centimeters, blade length is 8.6 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters. Steel is D2, it's a high alloy tool steel which increases corrosion resistance, tempered between 57 to 61 HRC. The sharpness is very good, flat grind, satin finish, opening with a flipper, thumb stud, or with a hole in the blade. As you like. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of black G10 scales, but red G10 scales are also available. Liner lock. I really like this lock. Holds the blade securely. Stainless steel pocket clip with the name of the manufacturer, Third D2. Blue anodized screws. In summary, it works very smoothly. Comfortable due to the thick handle, it fits very well in the hand, so it's nice to work with it. Solid and reliable, no blade play, just carry and use it. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.